this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this card with the Artfully Composed Suite. Here's my third Artfully Composed card that I created using the Artfully Layered bundle and the faux sea glass shapes. The bundle also includes this lovely vellum that I'm going to use, and the paper I used this piece over here, and I used this die right here from the die set to cut these leaves out, which I love when they make the paper and dies coordinate. And the frayed ribbon is also part of this suite as well. So if you wanted to, you could like add some frayed ribbon across the card right there. So I am starting with the vellum, and this is the one that's white and looks like newsprint. Looks like it goes this way, and you actually can't really even see the adhesive. I tried it and I did not see the adhesive, so I am just going to add it wherever I want it. And voila, I can't even like see the adhesive. Now maybe I can see a little bit right there, but that's about it. So pretty cool. So I've already showed you this gorgeous stamp from my first video and how it was watercolored and then created on the rubber so that when you stamp it, it looks like it's painted. So super, super cool. So I'm gonna just attach that down. And then I have some Pear Pizzazz and Just Jade cutouts. And so this one I'm just going to do the easy way and just put some adhesive down there. And then I have the two cutout pieces here. So I'm gonna just adhere this one down flat. I would say this one is Old Olive. And then I'm gonna put this one on dimensionals. We'll do 2 dimensionals right there. And place this right about there. And then this piece right here, I am gonna go ahead and use the liquid glue for this, just to be more precise. Okay. So we will place this over here. And then I have a 3/4 inch strip of basic white, and I'm gonna stamp Happiest Birthday Wishes in Just Jade. I love this one. Love any birthday stamp. Happiest Birthday Wishes. And then I'm going to use the Banners Pick a Punch to trim the edge. I'm going to take off a little bit first, and then I can punch off the edge there. And then I'm going to add a dimensional just to this side and put some adhesive right there. And then this is going to cover up, although I am going to go ahead and trim that little stem off because I think I might be able to see it. So I'm going to hide all the stems by placing it here. And then my favorite part is to add some of the faux sea glass. It's like I dropped one right there. So I'll add this one right here. And then let's do one of these over here. And we'll do the next one over here. So that is my third card. I love this card. I think it's just so pretty. So if you purchase the bundle or place a $40 order using my current host code, just email me and I will send you this card kit for free. Thank you so much for watching my video on the Artfully Composed Suite. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you liked it, please leave a comment and give it a like. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell so that you know every time I go live or post a new video. And if you're interested in the products, they're all listed in the description below. Thanks so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.